Hey, it turns out that the tow rope is tied like this. You are awesome, isn't that simple? Look very strong. Go to the trailer stop. You don't want your car anymore if you tie it like this. The entire front grille will be pulled down. At least $2,000 to fix it. Except here you can pass through. There's no place to tie a rope on the car. You don't know this. Our car has a special place for tying the tow rope. I teach you. Open the trunk. Lift the cover, take out the tow hitch inside. Then find this plastic cover on the front bumper. Do you see it? Let's go down lightly. You can take it off, insert the tow hitch, and tighten it clockwise. Let's fold this tow rope in half through the trailer hole. Long one main rope, short one artillery rope. Take this master rope out of a loop. Artillery rope around the main rope. Then fold in half. The artillery rope passes through the upper loop. Tighten the main rope at this time. It will only get tighter and tighter. This technique is called angry cow because 10 cows can't pull it apart. It is very easy to untie. We just need to grab this auxiliary rope and pull it gently to untie it. Isn't it very simple? I'm Bro. Jay, follow me to learn more car knowledge.